Hi everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Ang kitagan gawa natin reaction video, ang Barda compilation. So without further ado, let's start this. Uy, ang dami nating Barda ngayon na. 8 ata ang Barda natin na. Ayan na. So without further ado, let's start this.
So I heard from Dazzle Me.
Wait.
Ako rin, baka mag-confess na rin ako sa crush ko.
Same crush.
Hey guys, what's up? So I heard from Dazzle Me about your confessions to your crush. So today, we are gonna be reading all
Why?
your confessions.
Ay,
First
Okay.
confession. I remember you used to like me back in 2023, but gave up because you thought you wouldn't have a chance. But I was secretly also interested in you. Just waiting for your first move. Still wondering if you still like me or if my waiting was in vain. Grabe kasi I think everyone can relate to this. I think in dating, it's really hard na paminsan hindi natin alam if the person likes us or not,
Totoo.
diba?
Ay?
So, I think it's better to be straightforward than to ghost, diba? I think if you ghost someone, hindi natin alam kung ano yung pwede nilang ma-feel. Next! Dear James, hi my favorite, parang kapatid ko yata to.
Oo nga
Hi my
eh.
favorite setter, someone of love, and I hope you find your own love and happiness. Can't believe it's been 3 years since you got my heart. Watching you play on the court last year was a dream come true.
Kapatid
And
niya nga.
even if it was the
Kapatid
first and
niya.
last game I got to see you, I'll forever treasure that moment. I think this letter is for my brother, James. It's not for me, but I'll make sure to let him know about your admiration for him. Wait lang, guys.
Wait
so,
lang.
break muna tayo sa
Hala, ang cute
pagbabasa
niya
ng
dito.
confessions. Ang cute.
Ikaw.
Cute ko na. Stephen, I know this
Baby
thing is
boy.
quite beyond us because we are already married.
Ay,
Never told you about this, but now I want to let you know that to this day, I have the biggest crush on you. For someone who embraced single life as a choice, you challenge every bit of my convictions and boundaries. Your calm yet fun-filled nature made me appreciate slowing down in life. Your love has always been secure and has been my source of strength. Though I do not say it out loud, for the world to know, I am more in love with life because I get to spend it with you. Wow. Sana all.
sana all.
In finding a right
Meron ka
partner,
naman talaga.
dapat talaga, gaya ng sinabi niya, it makes you calm and secured. Diba?
Ay.
Piling ko, ganun talaga yung real love. Piling ko yung mga love na
At may alam na talaga siya about
kasal.
love.
Oh, so David Licao ko, para sa akin na ito. For sure, maraming may crush sa'yo, but ilan na ba yung umamin? Ha 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 ha. Hi, ang cute mo po. Nung una, ayaw ko talaga aminin sa sarili ko na posible pala ako mag-crush sa isang Filipino celebrity, pero
Ay,
kasi iba yung charm mo.
Ako din.
It dazzle
Iba
me
charm
with your
talaga ni Ginoo.
handsomeness. Yes,
Iba
with the help of
talaga.
my moisturizer, obviously naman talaga.
Ay, taray.
Magiging moist,
Dazzle.
yung lips ko, di ba?
Yung lips mo.
Kissable.
Sabon.
De, joke lang. Pero,
May
ayun nga.
pagkaano din talaga to sa Ginoo.
Napakagaling mo sa work mo, yung acting skills mo, abot sa puso ko. Sana, if ever mabasa mo man to, do you consider dating a fan? So, dazzle me kasi But anyways, have a great Valentine's Day. This coming Feb 14th,
Talaga
your
ba?
day. Love lots, you're a secret admirer. Thank you for your admiration, for having a crush on me. Pwede naman tayo mag-date kasi wala rin akong date sa Feb 14.
Ay!
Diba? So, ayun na lang. Kita na lang siguro tayo. Text mo lang ako. Thank you so much for your admiration. I appreciate you and galingan mo sa lahat. So guys,
Galingan mo
that's
sa
it.
lahat. I love
And,
that. Ang galingan
I
mo sa
dare
lahat.
you to be bold. And just take a risk. Malay mo, crush din kayo ng crush.
Ay,
No. Diba? So, ayun lang. Mag-confess
yun
na.
lang.
See you soon. And
See
ako rin,
you
baka
soon.
mag-confess na rin ako sa
Go.
crush ko.
Kung yan ang gusto mo,
Joke
mag-confess ka
lang,
for
next
today's
time na
video.
lang. Tama na.
Bakit naman?
Okay, bye guys!
Bye! Anyways, ay, ano to? Parang topa lang yun ang sinaserenade niya. Patingin. Saan nga to? Ay, oo, may barda na nito. Ay, tropa niya na talaga. Alam mo kung mapapansin niyo, ibang-iba siya magpakilig sa mga babaeng alam niyang kailangan niyang gawin, kaysa sa magpakilig siya na hindi niya naman kailangan gawin pero pusang lumalabas. You know what I mean? Katulad naman ikaw, kailangan niya magpakilig dito, ah. Kasi sinaserenade niya, eh, yung iba nga diyan. Na-issue pa nga diyan si Derek Ministerio, 'di ba, na hinawakan sa bewang, mga gano'n. In order for them na magpakilig, yan talaga yung trabaho na nagse-serenade diyan ng mga artista, ang magpakilig sa mga contestant at sa mga manonood. Pero 'di ba, walang kakilig-kilig kahit sabihin mong ginagawa na lahat ng Ginoo para kumilig, pero walang kakilig-kilig. Pero pagdating kay Barbie, kung mapapansin ninyo, pagdating kay Barbie, mapapansin talaga ninyo natural talaga ang kakiligan. 'Di ba? Ay, ay hello. David Licauco, alamat ng ube.
Nakakahiya na alam mo, bakit ang dami nag-green sa'yo.
Best wishes niyo. Ay, anyway.
Edit na kaming lahat, di ba?
Ay, ano to? Ito yung sa Canada. Ay, hinubad. Hinubad. Naglaway siya doon. Charis. Hindi naglaway ang Ginoo natin for today's video. Wala na. So, saan na? Oh, wala na siya sa focus. Nakita niya na kasi ang skin. Nakita na kasi ang skin ng bibi niya. Saan kayo, oh, di ba? Nagtatanong pa talaga siya.
Support na kay David kasi
Ay,
talagang so proud of him for an artist. Full support.
full support. Hindi mo kaya. Full support for today's video.
I just kept it to myself. I don't wanna know if you playing me. Keep it on the low. 'Cause my heart.
Okay, what's next? Ay, hello.
Past 3 years, I have been with Barbie Forteza, my love.
Barbie Forteza, my love.
Barbie Forteza.
Barbie Forteza, my love.
The past 3, 4, 5 projects na I did acting-wise was with my partner.
Yeah, I bet you still think about me.
Hello, Johnny. Bago lang to, no? Ay, oo, bago lang to. Yeah. Ay, ito, bakit ang gulo-gulo? Pero ng April lang to in-upload, oh. April 17? Oh, April 5. Ah, ito yung sa ano? Alberto? Tama ba? Anyways, that's all for today's video. This is Kid Flowers and see you on my next vlog. Bye.